Hey there, amazing viewers! Today we've got some fascinating news, and it's all about Google's next big move in the smartwatch game. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. Google is cooking up something exciting for its smartwatches, specifically the Pixel Watch 3. You won't believe what they've got up their sleeves. Picture this: a touch-sensitive bezel that could revolutionize the way you interact with your smartwatch. No more covering your screen while you navigate your watch's features. Now you might wonder, doesn't Samsung already offer something similar? Well, it's a different approach from what Samsung has to offer. In a recent patent filing that Wearable uncovered, Google spills the beans on this groundbreaking technology. They're talking about incorporating sensors right into the watch face housing. These sensors will be capable of controlling your music, smart home gadgets, and even tracking your heart rate. It's like the Swiss Army knife of smartwatches. But here's where it gets really interesting. These sensors can detect various gestures like a press, tap, squeeze, and swipe, each with specific functions for different apps. It's like your smartwatch is learning a new language. Now, you might be wondering, why is this such a big deal? Well, the Pixel Watch range has been pretty consistent in design, but Google is shaking things up. The current methods in use, like the rotating crowns and bezels from Apple, Google, and Samsung watches, make the manufacturing process more complex and waterproofing a challenge. Plus, they're not exactly doing the watch's aesthetics any favors. Google's patent filing introduces the idea of a buttonless smartwatch in the future. The sensors tucked inside the watch housing would allow you to control your watch seamlessly, preserving that sleek and minimalist look we all love. Goodbye buttons and bezels, hello to a cleaner design. In the patent filing, Google emphasizes that while current methods are reasonably efficient, they're not without their flaws. By integrating sensors into the watch's housing, Google aims for a more streamlined and direct approach. It's all about improving the user experience by understanding your gestures and executing tasks accordingly. Now remember, a patent filing doesn't guarantee that this technology will hit the market, but it sure does paint an exciting picture. This could be the feature that sets the Pixel Watch apart from the competition, and we can't wait to see if it becomes a reality. That's a wrap for today's video. What do you think about this potential game changer in the smartwatch world? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.